Hey everybody, welcome back to the Druid's Den. Today we're gonna be just putting together this new chicken coop I got online. We're just preparing for a pretty bad winter storm that's coming, so hopefully we're gonna get some snow and yeah, I gotta get the chickens safe and warm for that. So sorry, I got a lot of birds flying around here, but all right, let's go. All right, so let's get this thing put together. I bought this off Amazon. It's about 200 bucks, but it's pretty easy to put together overall. Everything just kind of slides into place, and it doesn't require any hardware or like screwing anything in except for the door. So it was pretty easy.
We already moved two of them. There's two inside the coop over there. They're just staying there temporarily. My dad's gonna be here in about an hour. We're gonna move this coop over there, and then we'll get it covered and everything. Come here.
It's okay, Chicky. It's okay, Chicky.
Come join your crew. It's okay.
It's okay, Chicky.
Come here. Yeah, you're all right. Oh, that's a pretty one.
Oh, this is a pretty one, huh?
You're all right. We're a little crowded in here for a little bit, but you know, less than an hour should be. Maybe a little bit more than an hour, not too long though. Be careful about them trying to break out on me. There's so many of them. Going in with your fellow chickens. You guys wait here for me. Promise we'll have more room soon. I'll put some food and water in there for them real quick.
It did come with a kind of like a chicken wire netting to go around the outside of it. I would say you should probably either double up on that or like get a stronger material to wrap the base of yours in if you have predators, because this will definitely not stop predators, especially because it is just using zip ties to hold it together. So yeah, you definitely want to add to that, but otherwise it's great. It's definitely a good frame to work off of. So here's the coop all finished. It looks good. Everybody's happy in here. I had this extension cord here because I thought we were gonna have some really cold temperatures, some ice and snow and everything. We didn't really get any snow, so that's why I was waiting to work on the other tiny home. So I was preparing for really cold weather here, but nothing showed up. So we're going to be getting back on the other house here probably tomorrow or the next day, and I should have a video at the end of this next month. So let's see if they want an orange. So we throw some of our leftover stuff. These oranges were getting old, so I threw them out here. I think that they want it. Hey guys, you want an orange again? Can't do it too often. You guys love these things. Let's see here. You guys love your oranges, huh? Who wants the first one? Nope. It's alright, we got more. Ooh. Biting hard. Here you go. Cheek, 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 cheek. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Maybe through the fence. Is it safer through the fence? Less nervous. Here we go. There we go. Don't like that. That kind of looks like my finger. Somebody's gonna get me good with this. Oh my God, I got splashed with orange. Oh wow, they're throwing it all. It's flying past the screen into my face. All right. Well, now y'all got an idea how things are going over here for our chickens. They're very happy. Still not a single egg though. So there were 8 total. The other 4 went with my parents at their house. I brought them over there, and theirs are laying eggs like crazy. So I would assume we'll be getting eggs soon. Just nothing yet. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. As you can see, it turned out great. Chickens are really happy here, and we dodged the worst of the weather, so I can't complain. So hopefully we're gonna be rolling into spring now, and I'm gonna be getting after working on that 12 by 24 home. I just was waiting because I thought we were gonna be iced in, and turns out we weren't. So that's on me. But all right, next video will be up in about a month. So thanks. Bye.